This week, your weekly astrological forecast is broadcasted from the Aegean Ocean between the beautiful Greek islands. So, this week, the Sun creates a perfect alignment with the realm of creation. The realm of creation is a unique area of the universe that allows us to realize that we are co-creators together with God. Well, if you kind of think of it, you see that everything that you have in your life, everything that you've created started with an idea, and everything man created on planet Earth, good or bad, started with a vision, with an idea, and from there continued to be something that today we call as truth, reality, and manifestation. So knowing that, this is the unique power of this month. You actually know that this week you need to be better aware of what you think about. Because what you think about actually creates your reality. Not only your reality, also the reality of people who you love and other people around you. So it's a time to be responsible of your thoughts. Of course, it's also a great time to plan ahead and think, what kind of future do you want to create for you and your loved ones? What kind of future do you want to create for the world? This would really be the time to clear your mind and then put in it the things that you would want to see created in the future. So have a great, wonderful, special week of thinking ahead and manifesting your thoughts into an existing